This is a simple mobile demo I have created using basic Unity techniques. I will go over different aspects of the demo in these short videos to help you understand the project so that you can to make your own similar application. The code for this game will also be hosted on our website with additional useful information about getting started with Unity. In this video, I'm going to go over the objects in the scene and show you how the game runs on a computer. The first object in the scene is the main camera. The main camera is added by Unity, and it provides the view that the player sees in the game. The next object is the player. The player is controlled using the keyboard inputs on a computer and touch controls on mobile. This is done using the player controller script. The player is represented by a white square object and has a rigid body and a box collider component to interact with the physics systems. Note that in order to stop gravity from affecting the player, we change the rigid body type from dynamic to kinematic. The treasure object is the goal of the game. When the player touches the treasure, they get score. We made the treasure a hexagon to distinguish it from the player. This was done in the sprite renderer component. The treasure moves randomly at a fixed time interval to make the game challenging. And this is controlled by the treasure controller script. The canvas and event systems were added by Unity when I tried to add text. These are used to help control mobile input, as you can see by the standalone input module. The canvas displays UI elements in Unity. For example, we have the score text and the time text. These display the current score and time for the game. Lastly, we have the game controller. It is good to have an empty object like this to control aspects of the game that can become accessed by other objects. It has the game controller script attached, which controls most of the timing and score for the game. Those are all the objects I use, and this is how the game plays. As you can see, it is a very simple game, and you will soon see the code for it.